People often ask us, how much maintenance does a pond require? I'm going to show you what we do to maintain a pond. I'm Michael from Soares Landscaping. Check this out. We've got a brand new 7x10 pond here, and I'm going to show you the components that help maintain it. This covered area houses the skimmer. The skimmer has a couple components in it. It's got the basket, the debris basket, which helps skim out any major debris. As you can see here, we have some needles from a cedar to help keep the system clean. Underneath the basket, we've got a filter mat, and we've also got the area for the pump. The pump sits inside the skimmer, which powers water out to the waterfall. Take you over to the waterfall. Inside the waterfall, there's a couple components here as well. You'll see these filter mats, bags, these are bioballs. So inside the bioballs will help colonize beneficial bacteria that will eat away at sludge, keeping the pond clean. Below that is another filter mat as well, filtering out any large debris. This system together will keep this pond clean and clear, mostly by itself. In addition, we will also put in an auto dozer, which over time will put out beneficial bacteria, which will help clear the pond as well. Those are the main components that help keep a pond clean and clear in 2019. Really easy to maintain. Other than a little bit of service in the spring and the fall, it's pretty much maintenance free all summer. And all you get to do is enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.